Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a product to review. This packaging doesn't look good, but who cares about the packaging if the product is good? Let's see if it is okay. It says manual hand juicer, squeeze nature, taste the freshness. Now it is supposed to squeeze the nature. Let's see. And on the top, same thing is written. There is some number. I have no idea what this is. You can squeeze fruits and get the juice out of it. MRP says 549. I paid 200 rupees for this. I bought it from USA, that is Ulhasnagar, not the actual USA. And when I saw it, I immediately purchased it because I really wanted it. I do have other juicer, but this is what I wanted. So you can see orange in color, and there is this compartment here. This is the support. So when you press the juicer, it has to be stable. So in this compartment, you are supposed to put fruits slices, obviously, and so when you press this handle, this the fruit slices will get crushed, and juice will be formed out of that. So very simple concept. We will give it a try. Here we have a provision to pour out the juice out of this juicer. So we have some pomegranate here, which I thought would be good for testing. So I'll put few of those inside this juicer and we'll try to press it. And moment of truth, I am able to push it, but I can see some of the seeds coming out from the gap between those two parts, which is not good, but it's fine. Let's see if we are getting any juice. Okay, we are getting. And we have, this is not much, but it's fine. I mean, look at the condition of the seeds, which are not very well pressed. We'll give it a second try and we get still some juice out of it, so that is good. So I'm going to do this couple of times, and now we have plenty of juice present out of this juicer. The juicer is sturdy. Let us try with the lime fruit. And so it's a plastic, but it is feeling quite sturdy. So that is good thing. I mean, if you are pressing too hard, the handle can break, but here it is not happening, so that is good thing. Okay, I missed to record that, but it is fine. I mean, at least we are getting the juice. It is very different from the traditional cold press machines that we generally use. Now for the conclusion, this juicer is I must say, this is not very efficient one, like compared to this juicer, but the main advantage it has is you don't need to worry about cleaning. You just put water or just run it, just hold this under running tap and it will get clean, compared to this juicer where you have to dismantle everything from here, and cleaning this thing is a huge pain. So if it is we don't want to spend more time in cleaning the juicer, then this one is a very good deal. With that said, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.